Hey guys, Yogesh here from Utilize Your Business, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a nice little tool for anyone who has a YouTube channel. Doesn't matter how small or how big YouTube channel you have, you're always looking for new content, how to research for the content and see your video you're really going to stand out with the competition that's out there in YouTube. So the name of the tool is Morningfame, and I'm going to tell you all about it and why I like it so much. Let's go. So you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you already have a YouTube channel and you've done a lot of videos, or you're thinking about starting with one or two videos, but you hit a roadblock of which video to put in, which keywords are good, which keywords should I focus on so that my videos, whatever content you're putting on YouTube, people will be watching this, and what to do. So a lot of people, what they do is they look after the different software that's out there, but I'm going to tell you a software that is really going to help you grow your YouTube channel and it's not that expensive at all. Now, the name of the software is Morningfame, and I'm going to dive into I'm actually using it for my YouTube channel. I'm going to dive in and tell you exactly what sort of insights it tells you about your channel and how to focus it. And the great thing about this is it actually has a keyword search tool that will actually tell you which keyword you should shoot into it, depending on how big or how small your YouTube channel is. So let's dive in and talk more about Morningfame review. So this is the dashboard for my YouTube channel, Utilize Your Business, and this just tells you exactly how my channel's been performing for the last 10 videos that I put it on. So right now, as of right now, I have about these many subscribers, channel views, percent of views from visitors, and my subscribers only 3%. I gotta work on that. But 97% is from people who are not subscribed to my channel. So I gotta do something to make them subscribe to my channel. Let's see what it can do. So the channel views in the last 7 days, there are 71 more, and if you go down, it tells you exactly to improve with each video channel. So the last 12 days I put up 10 different videos. Channel growth speed, no. Views, so I'm not getting that much views. Average view duration, well, this is a check mark, which is good. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Likes, I get a medal, so on average I'm getting 2 likes on per my video. 1 comment, which is good, and subscriber gain, nothing. So that's for the last 10 videos. Now if you go down, and this tells you all about individual videos that I did. 6 days ago I put this video, build raw $1 trial, 2 views. So video didn't do anything, so it's tanked. I don't know why, but it did. It happens. I did another video 10 days ago, simple ways to promote legendary marketer. It's good. It's keeping pace with my channel growth. So far 7 views. Right, average view is 2 minutes and 50 seconds, which is really good. I got 2 likes, no comment, and no subscriber gain. So the video is good. It's going good. Let's see how it is. So it tells you exactly all about it, and you can also click on the full stat, and this is what it tells you. Like, subscriber, everything about that video. Okay, so if you keep on scrolling down, it also tells you a little bit more about, look at this video. This is the video that really I hit it out of the ballpark. I really it impacted a lot on my channel growth. A lot of subscriptor I got it from this. A lot of views. Average views is 2 minutes and almost 30 seconds, so which is good. 3 likes, and I gained 1 subscriber, so which is good. So this is what it tells you about the last thing. And the other thing I really liked about Morningfame is talks about strategy. What should I be focusing on to grow my channel? So right now it tells me I should be focusing on watch time. I should increase the watch time of people who are watching my videos, such as you guys. You should be watching more of my videos for a longer time, and I can actually enter a workshop and actually see how to do it. Now it also tells about my past videos and which have performed really good. Maybe I could double and build on more on these content, make more videos on the similar content. Okay, and then this talks about playlist, you know, how the playlist is going, and is the channel growing. So average views, duration, this is all for the last since you are been part of the since I signed up with the Morningfame. Now it talks about, let's talk about, so how do YouTube's algorithm promote you? So let's talk about YouTube search. Talks about 36% of channel views are from the YouTube search, 46 of the watch time from there. So it tells you there are 97 visitors who have watched my video, which they are not my subscribed, and only 2.1, so roughly 2% who subscribers comes back and watch my video. Now watch time, subscribers about 6%, and visitors 9%. So a lot of people who are not subscribed to my channel are watching my videos more than the people who are subscribed to my channel. I should work on that. I should have either make this visitor being my subscribe, so they're getting, you know, constant updates on my channel. Now let's talk about suggested videos and a couple of other things, subscription, notification, all that. So, and then talk about thumbnail. So thumbnail is number one reason why people, you know, who are looking at your video will click on it. So let's talk about the first one. 7 views, 2 likes, and it goes on about thumbnails, maybe which one people liked it, people didn't like it. This one's the one that my video did really well. They had about 1,000, almost 1,500 views and 3 likes, and we go on. Okay, so appealing thumb. So this is it, and it can also tell you when you should actually publish your video. Most of the videos I've been publishing is on Wednesdays. I did try a little bit more last couple of days. I've tried it on Thursday and Sunday, so it tells you strong, and this tells you, you know, it's worth for me to test that, and I've been testing that with promoting. I did 2 videos that I did, so it gives you another idea, insight to your thing. So subscribers, it tells you about its experience, the gains, duration, which is pretty good. Another analytic things which tells you about your videos, the top 10 and the bottom 10 videos, and what you should do to put them from here to right here. The other things that I really liked about is the keyword search, which I'm actually going to make a total one whole video about keyword search, how exactly I go about doing the keyword search, and when I'm looking to put on the new content, what steps I actually do to that. and I'll put a link in this video description to the video of that the keyword search video that I'll be making in the future. Alright guys, I hope you like it, and if you are into the YouTube and you do have channel but you are struggling a little bit in terms of getting attraction, getting how to gain insight of your channel and what you should do to have your channel grow faster and also get more subscription, Morningfame, it is really good too. And now the most important thing is how much it's going to cost you to get this software. So if you want, they have two plans. They have basic plan and plus plan. Plus plan, it's for $12.90, or if you can get it, if you want a yearly plan, you get a discount for $9.90. And what you get is the channel analytics that I showed you about it, and also the keyword search tool. Well, you can also get the basic plan, which is $4.90, and if you pay yearly in advance, it's $3.90. Which the difference is the keyword search tool, you only get a limited time. So what is, you get a full feature access for 24 hours for every 12 days. So let's say you started today, you'll get a full feature for the next 24 hours, and then you have to wait for another 12 days before you can access the search web tool. So that's the main difference between the basic and the plus plan. Whatever you want, suggest to start with the basic plan or go there. Now the way you can get access to Morningfame is with the invitation code that will be in the link described in the description. I'll put the link of my invitation code that you can click on link on there, and then you can get access to the Morningfame and sign up. And this way you get the first 30 days as a trial, and I also get the next 30 days free. So if you do want to go ahead, there's a link in the description. Go ahead, click the link and start growing your channel.